Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and in this video, I want to talk about something that too many entrepreneurs and business owners do, and it really, really holds them back. So stick around to the end of this video to find out exactly what it is. Now, I'm James Nicholson. I'm the founder of the Business Accelerator methodology. I'm the author of the new book, Expert Mastery. You can grab a free copy of that today in the description below. Hint. And go and do that now. And I've discovered something very special which I share in this book, and that's how to take cold traffic, people that have never heard of you, and turn them into buyers who buy from you again and again and again. And that is really, really powerful when you use it in your business. Now, today I've had 2 Zoom sessions, one with my top level clients, my academy members, and I've also had with my Business Accelerator members a business clinic as well. And one thing that's really interesting, and I notice a lot with business owners, is we all think we can do more than we actually will, right? And so what happens is, it's good to have lofty ambitions, but a lot of people, you say, what are you going to get done this week? And they reel off 100 things. Next week comes by and they've done none of them, or a few of them, right? And really, if you give yourself too many tasks, I found that you should focus on 2 or 3 things a day, the most important things. And then when you've done those, you can do the general day-to-day stuff that you've got to get done in your business. But it's really important you focus on just a few things first. So we've been doing this with our academy members at the moment, and it really works very well, is rather than giving them a huge, great to-do list, is we just give them 2 or 3 things. And when they've done that, immediately, if they're ready to do more, they can come back and we can focus on the next things. But get those first few things done. Then you'll feel like you've accomplished something. Because if you have a huge list of even 10 things to do in a day, you'll look at it and it will overwhelm you. And what also you'll do is you'll do the easy tasks first. Maybe they're not the most important tasks because you want to get something done. When you focus on 2 or 3 things, you can do those big meaty tasks that you need to do to drive your business forward because you haven't got too much to focus on. Other stuff can wait. Other stuff can wait. And that is a real secret to being successful. Removing that overwhelm that you get as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. Focus on 1, 2, or 3 things in a day. Get those done. Then you can look at the day-to-day stuff, and that will take your business forward, I promise you, faster than anything else. Now, look, if you find these tips useful, you find this channel useful, do smash the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Like this video. And if you didn't earlier, go and grab a copy of Expert Mastery. This really will change your business forever. It will give you my step-by-step blueprint on getting customers and taking your business to the next level. So do that now and go and change your to-do list. Scrub some of it out. Just focus on the 3 big things that will take your business forward today. That's it from me. I'm James Nicholson. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.